Hello everyone, it's me again, I'm here with Black Swan, and I'm back again with a wig video. And as you can see, I'm trying to get my life together. I had to record this intro thrice already, hence why I look like this. But fourth time is a charm. So let's just dive into it, okay? So I'm doing a wig review for this company, Ashimary. This is the actual sleeper that the wig came in, the silk sleeper that it came in. I have all the information down below. But yeah, they sent me a couple of goodies. You know, the edge band. They sent me an edge brush, a razor to cut the lace. And because I contacted them before the holidays, they sent me a Christmas scarf. Oh, I feel so bad. But because of the weather, there was like a delay in the shipping. So I wasn't able to get it in time to do a video for them for Christmas. And then they sent me some lashes. I'm not gonna wear the lashes on this video. I'm probably not gonna wear these lashes because they are like super duper long. And I'm not a fan of super duper long lashes, but the lashes are really cute. So I went ahead and washed it and conditioned it. So this is how it looks freshly blow dried. Ooh, I'm getting tongue tied. Sorry about the audio. Also on this video, I'm having issues with my microphone, but I'm pretty sure you can understand what the words are coming out of my mouth. I haven't had a blonde wig in a minute, so I'm really excited about this one. This is how it looks. See how like pretty this blonde is? So I'm really excited about that part. And so this is a frontal. It's a frontal wig, and here's the inside of it. You know, it has the adjustable straps, the combs on the side, on the back, and in the middle, right behind where the lace stops. I haven't worn a blonde wig in so long, and this wig is full. Like, it is a dense wig. It's not like so dense to where I feel like it's overwhelming, but it's thick, girl. It's thick. It's a good amount of hair. I cannot wait to straighten this bad boy out. It goes all the way to my stomach. Before I start installing the wig, I just want to get into this color. And see the highlights of it. And then there's no shedding. I'm coming through with like a rat tail comb, and I'm not getting hairs to come off, so that's a good sign. I'm probably gonna have to do a tad bit of tinting with makeup to go ahead and make her blend a little more into my skin tone, because the lace does look just a tad bit light for my skin tone. So that's how she's looking like. I really like this color. So yeah, let's just see how it goes, girl. Let's just see how it goes, because I hope that this is the type of blonde that goes with my skin tone and I'm not fighting against it. So my hair's been, my stuff's been, you know, sitting and marinating. And then I haven't touched my hair because I've been doing my makeup. Makeup got together real nice. I've been using my Smashbox foundation because, you know, when the weather changes, so does the foundation. And I love it. Oh my gosh, I am loving this Smashbox foundation. I haven't used it in years. Oh, honey, if it's not broke, don't fix it. I don't know why I strayed. Okay, I can't find my comb, but I'm gonna use my paddle brush. But girl, I don't know why I strayed from that foundation. That bitch is amazing. It's amazing. So, yeah. I'm not gonna be talking too much about it because it's supposed to be a wig video, not a makeup video. A wig video. But as you can tell, like my spirits are lifted because like the makeup is makeuping, and a good beat always puts me in a good mood. So, but baby, this wig needed a face, okay? I could not let her wear me. I have to wear her. Like, girl, who's the star of the show, me or you? But yeah, ooh, okay. Okay, hair, okay. I feel like these layers in this wig, not layers, but like the highlighting in this wig is it's done so well. I really wasn't sure about this ash blonde that they put in this hair, how it's gonna go against my skin, but so far, I'm liking the way it's looking. So the bottom of the hair is darker. When you get to the bottom portion, the bottom tracks, they're more of an ash blonde. And then when you get to the top, you're gonna see more highlights. I did put some Voodoo Serum on the wig right after I fully blow dried it. So when it was completely dry, I put the serum on it so it would have like a little sheen to it. And also, so you know, to keep the moisture in the hair, because you know, when you shampoo and condition, you are stripping the hair. I'm not an expert, but if it's human hair and you're cleaning it, it's gonna get stripped in some type of way, correct? Because your own hair gets stripped when you use shampoo. That's why you have to put the conditioner and the moisturizer and stuff back into it, correct? Correct me if I'm wrong. The bottom portion. Look how pretty that is. Ooh, it's giving me like a really pretty, really pretty. I can now I can really see all the colors that they put into this wig. I'm not sure if it's gonna come off on camera like it should, because the balance of the light is kind of off right now because I have so much stuff going on, and I think I probably need to change my camera settings. So I'm hoping you're getting what I'm getting in person. Probably not. I'm seeing a little bit on my viewfinder, but I don't think that you're actually getting what she's giving me. But look at that, that's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the rest of the wig out. But you see how the density of the wig, it is really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera, then I'll be back on because I still need to do my edges. So I'll be right back with that. Okay, so are we gonna talk about it? Are we gonna talk about it? Are we gonna talk about how I literally took off, this right here. And then my wig was just like, oh babes, you're good. You're good. You're done. Ah, oh my gosh, like, look how we're together. Look how we're together. And then look how this cute little extra like skunk mark comes. Girl, I'm done. I'm done. And then look how full this wig is with half the hair up. Okay, so I have this much hair in a half pony, okay? This is a good amount of hair. And then look how much I still have on the bottom of the plate wig. Like, girl, bye. Like, who checked me, boo? Who? Like, who is she? I'm not even gonna lie. When I took the wig out, I was like, oh no, it might be too ashy for me. Like the blonde might be a little too ashy, and not like warm enough for me. Because like, girl, I'm a medium black. I'm the medium. I am the brown skinned girl that most of us are. Like, okay, tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if I'm wrong. You know how, you know, like I have a regular skin tone when it comes to a black woman, right? A southern black woman. I have warm and golden undertones. I have golden, a little bit of red undertones, and then I'm medium skin tone. So I'm not dark enough to go to the extreme where I'm just like wearing a whole bunch of crazy colors and like the colors are like in my skin, it's like giving the waviness. Like I'm not giving what like the really deep tone melanated girls be doing, you know what I'm saying? Like, because like if I was like really deep tone and I'm wearing like a blonde, baby, please don't talk to me. Like I'm gonna be that girl. But then I'm not my mom's skin tone where she's like a super high yellow to where, you know, she can pretty much wear whatever color and it doesn't matter because like most colors are geared towards fair skinned women. So I'm the medium. So there's a lot of colors that will fight against my skin tone, especially since it's so warm. If I'm making any sense. Like if I wear a platinum, it's gonna look a little off. Like I'm gonna have to warm that platinum blonde up. So girl, like look, when I tell you, I'm so happy with this. I'm so happy. Oh look, now my phone's trying to like adjust the coloring. But like, I'm so, oh my gosh, there, let's go to blue then. Okay, but anyway, my phone's on, my camera's on auto. So depending on the depth where I'm at, it's gonna pick up whatever color that it's gonna pick up. I'm so happy about this hair. Y'all please go check them out. Y'all go check them out. Y'all go check this company out. Because this is like it. This is it. This is it. This is what you need in your life. This is what you need in your life. Like you're having, girl, wow. The wig is so soft and so well constructed, so well made. I didn't have the shedding. The installation was so forgiving. Now I was talking about the voodoo that I put through the hair to like kind of make sure that I'm keeping the luster. Cause like out the box, it has like a nice little sheen to it. I want to keep it. So since I shampooed and conditioned it, I'm stripping it, right? So this is the voodoo. It's almost out. I got this from Amazon too. It says voodoo. V-O, I don't think you're able to see it because the bottle's clear. My camera's not picking it up. But the bottle says V-O-O-D-O-O oil, okay? And it has like a little crystal ball with an eye in it. So go on Amazon, look it up. It really is amazing for your hair when, especially like wigs, if you're like doing like putting heat on it and trying to like make sure you're keeping the natural looking sheen to it, and it's not looking like over greasy, and it's not wearing the hair down. So that's a really good product to use. Oh my gosh. Girl, bye. Thank y'all for watching. Oh, hold on, let me show y'all, hold on. Let me show y'all the front. Let me show y'all the back. Let me make sure like I'm presenting her correctly. Oh yeah, and it's true to size. When the cap size is true to size. So this is the back. Can you see me? See how far down it goes? So cute. And I really did need this wig because it's that time of the month and I was feeling like super grouchy and I had like a bad attitude today. So like this really like kind of got me back in check. Now I'm gonna start being my P's and Q's with the better attitude. And I got my ginger beer, my non-alcoholic ginger beer that I'm sipping on, you know, so I'm very happy right now. Thank y'all guys for watching this video. I hope this video helps you on your next wig purchase, okay? Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again on this. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, hit your notification bell, okay? Thank you guys. Bye.